Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup gag, focusing on creating a harmless and hilarious prank. We'll explore the art of crafting a visually surprising soup that's sure to get a reaction. This guide will help you select safe, unconventional ingredients and master the presentation to maximize the humorous effect. Get ready to learn how to prepare a truly memorable and fun prank experience for your friends or family, ensuring everyone has a good laugh. Now, let's gather our special ingredients for this prank soup. The key is to select items that offer unusual colors or textures, creating a truly unappetizing appearance. Think about using a few drops of food coloring to achieve vibrant, unexpected hues like bright blue or neon green. You might also incorporate harmless, surprising elements such as a few gummy worms, plastic insects, or even small, clean toys. Always ensure that every item you choose is completely non-toxic and safe for handling, prioritizing safety above all else. With your ingredients ready, it's time to assemble your prank soup. Begin by combining liquids and solids to achieve a lumpy, inconsistent texture that looks far from appetizing. Next, strategically arrange your unusual floaters, like those gummy worms or plastic insects, on the soup surface for maximum impact. Choose a bowl or container that further enhances the unappetizing presentation, perhaps one with an odd shape or color. The goal is to create a visual effect that is both surprising and delightfully gross, ensuring a memorable reveal. Finally, it's time for the grand reveal of your prank soup. Present your creation with a perfectly straight face, acting as if it's a perfectly normal dish to maximize the humorous effect. Observe the priceless reactions of your unsuspecting audience members as they try to process what they're seeing. After a moment of delightful confusion and laughter, explain the prank, sharing in the fun. Remember to clean up all components responsibly after the prank, ensuring everything is disposed of properly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.